All right, good morning everybody. Today is Monday. Let me check my phone. Monday, August the 13th. It's my cousin David's birthday, so shout out to him. Happy birthday, cousin. But so yesterday my camera cut out, but Bryce and I basically celebrated our 4-year anniversary of being married, even though it's next week, because I have a lash class next week and he'll be gone and he has work. So we were kid free, so we had the perfect opportunity we went and had hibachi. We do that without it being our anniversary though. We eat hibachi all the time. So that was fun. And we found a new restaurant in Springfield, Tennessee called Copper. It's Copper something, but it's really, really good. So we went there, we slept in, it was amazing. But today, I'm tackling, yes, our fridge. Our freezer doesn't need it, but our fridge does. So, here's what's going on. You know how you just need to like deep clean that freezer sometimes? So I need to check to see if anything is expired. If you guys don't do that, highly suggest that you do. But yes, I gotta check. I always keep the baking soda open, but always check your stuff. I'm gonna clean this. Look, there's crumbs. There's just a lot of stuff going on. Last night, I actually took a lot of the veggies that were gonna go bad very soon and I juiced them. So we have this, if you shake it up it looks better, and then there's one back there as well, and then there was another one, but I think Bryce already demolished it. So I'm gonna clean out the fridge. We have 2 freezers. We have one that's connected to our fridge and we have one outside, but those are both clean. I'm just gonna go ahead and deep clean the inside. And then when I go and pick Ollie up, I don't know if I'm gonna take him with me or just go before and get some more food. But yeah, I woke up, my back was killing me this morning. I don't know why, like I didn't do anything crazy, but that's what happens when you have chronic back pain. Just sometimes you don't even have to do anything and you wake up, you're just like, ah. So that was me this morning. But I figured I can get this done, and I have, look, these face masks. And oh my God, you guys, my mentor, legit my mentor, her name is Min. I worked with her when I was living in Seaside, California. Like I'm born and raised there, but when I was living there. I worked with her in Marina, in a veterans organization. And she is my mentor, y'all. Like she is amazing. I know that I can come to her for anything, and she's so smart. She just graduated with her doctorate degree, and I am so freaking proud of her. She is like everything, and she has a baby, so she did this all. She was pregnant as well while she was going through school and with a baby and working. Like she's just amazing. They just bought another house, so congratulations, Min. And hey Patrick, like seriously, y'all are just amazing, so congratulations. I love seeing women win. I want to see them do big things, and she is definitely an example, a good example for any woman. So yeah, let's get started on this sprint. guys, I know the lighting in here sucks, but I am done with the fridge. It is all cleaned out. Look how good it looks now. So I've emptied out a lot. This stuff was good. I only had like 2 things in there that like just expired, but we do use all of that stuff in there. So yeah, now I'm gonna go to the store and I'm gonna restock a little bit and I'll show y'all what that looks like.